How to fix this error in R4. Stay with us. First of all, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. In case you are watching this video, probably happened the same as me, which was thinking that the R4 was broken. But the problem is other. Can you see the product signature on the back of the cartridge? No? Congratulations, you have acquired a bootleg just like me. The image I showed may not be conclusive of being an original product, but if it works with the original kernel, it is a good sign. There are really many bootlegs of the same product, but don't worry, I will teach you a way to fix this error. Before changing firmware, I suggest you always format the card first. The link is in the description. The software that I prefer to format the card in FAT32. Now let's go to the official page and download the firmware. The transfer is over, now just move to the SD card. If it wasn't a R4 bootleg version, it would run and work and it wouldn't give that error we all know. We already know this error, let's solve it. After having researched and tried different solution, I have found a way that works using my R4 bootleg 2022 card. Attention, exists similar version using different chip, so it can work for my version and not in yours. For fixing, you will need to transfer 2 files that were on the Gabot temp forum and put them directly on the SD card. It may take a while to find, but the links are there. This version turned out to be the one I use the most, as it turned out to be the most stable running emulators. Now just put the files inside the SD card. Both are placed on the SD card and now just test it. Now just put the SD card back in the R4 and test. For me it only worked if I had installed both files, but in your R4 it may work differently, keep that in mind. Now you can see that the problem is resolved and is running correctly. In the next video about R4, I will share a kernel that doesn't need to do anything and still comes packed full of emulators that work, good for playing with your GBA backups. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. Thank you and see you next time.